In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your checkout page on Webflow by integrating and customizing the additional info element. This is a great way to collect more information from your customers and make your checkout process more engaging and tailored to their needs. Let's dive right into the steps. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your checkout page in the Webflow Designer. This is where we'll be making all the adjustments to improve your customer experience. Once you're on your page, look for the Add Elements panel. Within this panel, you'll find a section dedicated to e-commerce, and here is where the additional info element resides. Simply drag and drop this element right onto your checkout form. This is going to be our foundation for gathering extra details from your customers. Once you've added the additional info element, it's time to make it your own by customizing the fields. Head over to the Settings panel where you'll see options to select which fields you'd like to incorporate, such as text, text area, or even a checkbox. You can personalize the labels and placeholder text for each field, providing clear guidance for your customers about what information is needed. For instance, the primary text field allows you to specify different input types like email, phone number, or even a password, depending on what suits your business needs. Next up, we have to implement a custom attribute to the additional info field you just added. To do this, select the field and navigate to the element settings. Here, you'll be adding a custom attribute with the name, Bricks Extra e-commerce fields, and set the value to true. This small but crucial step ensures that Webflow recognizes and processes these fields correctly during checkout. Now, if you find the default additional info field isn't quite necessary and you want to keep things neat, you have the option to hide it while still collecting valuable data. For this, utilize the Style panel and adjust the display property by setting it to None. This action will effectively hide the field from customer view. You can follow the same method to hide other parts of the additional info element if you prefer to highlight only your custom fields. Finally, after setting everything up, it's essential to test the checkout process to ensure your modifications work smoothly. Publish your site and run through a transaction. This will allow you to confirm that the new fields are being displayed as intended and that the data is accurately captured. The information collected during this process will be accessible in your order manager. Plus, it offers the potential to be included in your order confirmation emails and designs, ensuring a streamlined experience for both you and your customers. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create a more interactive and informative checkout process in Webflow, providing greater insight into your customers' needs while enhancing their shopping experience.